Hello. Today in front of me I have TCL TAB 10, and in this video we are going to show how you can activate and use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, launch the keyboard. After that, at the top part of it, tap on this icon that stands for the clipboard itself and turn on this toggle, and from now on that will essentially mean that the clipboard of your keyboard is successfully active. Next, tap on this pencil if you would like to get rid of some elements, select the elements you would like to remove, and after that tap on the trash bin. If you want for anything to be added to the clipboard, you gotta simply copy something. So let's say I want the word car to be added. I'll select it, copy, and once I get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the car has been added as the most recent element. And from here you can simply tap and get any of the element you have over here past it. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.